This is the Milwaukee M18 job site fan, personal air conditioner upgrade. Got a heat exchanger up there. Little recirculation pump on the inside, circulate that ice water. Batteries will end up being mounted on the back. There's the plumbing lines. We can see here that the temperature on the cooler, the heat exchanger, is 51, 54 degrees. Ambient temperature right now is 85 degrees. And I'll pause the video until this is done climbing downward. All right, I got a steady reading at 53 degrees. That's 32 degrees temperature differential.